How to change the refund method on Steam. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the refund method on Steam. To change your refund method on Steam, start by launching the Steam application on your PC. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click on Help. Then select Steam Support from the drop-down menu. In the Steam Support window, find and click on the game or item you want to refund. If you don't see it listed, use the search bar to locate it. Once you've selected the game or item, click on I would like a refund. Steam will prompt you to choose a refund method. Here, you can select your preferred refund method, such as your Steam wallet, original payment method, or other available options. After choosing your refund method, click Submit Request. Steam will process your request and you will receive an email confirmation. Now, you've successfully changed your refund method on Steam. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.